Good afternoon, it's me, James Black with Premier Sotheby's International Realty, here today at Corkscrew Shores in beautiful Estero, Florida. We're out here today at this awesome house. I don't use that word lightly. The address is 14446 14446 Pine Hollow Drive in here at Corkscrew Shores. You've got this great double door entry. I can't say enough about this, so I'm going to say it very quickly, but it's so nice to have that double door entry when you're moving furniture in and out. Also, if you notice, the baseboard is your full 6-inch upgraded trim. You've got upgraded carpet on your stairway leading up to your second floor, which we'll get to in just a moment. But for your main floor, you've got your master bedroom, you've got a den or an office, you've got hurricane impact windows and doors throughout the home. And like I said, on this first floor, no carpet, so really fantastic. You've got your soft close cabinets, very nice. Full KitchenAid cooking appliance package, including your wall oven with convection. Really cool backsplash, kind of a subway tile on a herringbone pattern. But soft close cabinets everywhere you see in the master bathroom and in the kitchen. I think you might hear something off in the distance. I'm not sure. I've been listening to it for the past few minutes, and it looks like something like crystal blue water with fountains. I don't know. Could that be your own pool? Could that be your pool? You've been waiting your whole life, working 30 years, 35, 40 years, and there it is, folks. Not just a pool, but like, I don't know, like an $80,000 or $90,000 custom pool with a sun deck. You can slip some chaise lounges or your favorite beach chair right in that first section and just soak in the sun with no cold water, no shock to the system, with pure enjoyment. This home has so much, it's going to be really hard to pack all in, but let's just try to, we're going to fast forward right now. We're going to go to the garage and I'll show you something very cool. Full epoxy confetti finish flooring. That's a full epoxy with the confetti finish flooring. Really cool because you're not going to get any stains in your garage floor. Triple bay, double on one side, single on the other. You've got your laundry room. Again, no carpet anywhere, folks. Whirlpool appliances in there, the washer and dryer. Oh, I don't know. Let's just say you're a grandmother, you're a grandfather. You want to have the grandkids come visit. How would this space be to let them just have at it, go to town, pull out their toys, jump up and down on this great carpet? You're not going to hear them down on your main floor. Or you've just got a big family. You've got 3 or 4 or 5 kids, maybe more, and you just need space. Well, here it is.